Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Study. Today we are going to learn how to use a and an. We use a and an when we talk of one thing. We use a if the word begin with the consonant sound. We use an if the word begin with the vowel sound. Remember, the vowels are a, e, I, o, u and the rest all are consonants. Let's take a look. A girl, a girl. Here there is a consonant sound G. So we put a in it. A girl, a girl. A baby, a pot, a farmer. In this there are consonant sound. Next, here is vowel sound. An eagle, E. This is vowel sound. E. This is their starting sound is E. E means it's coming vowel. An eagle, an orange, an arrow, an ice cream. Now we will solve some example. We will do practice. Use a or an. Here is vowel sound. Vowel sound means we have to use an in it. An, I. This is consonant sound. A candle, a mouse, an aeroplane, an onion, a duck, an owl, a boat. Next question. Tick the correct option. We have to tick the correct option. We have to see which sound it is and then we have to tick it which is correct option. A insect, no. An insect. A shirt and shirt. A shirt. A nest and nest. A nest. A tiger and tiger. A tiger. A arm and arm. An arm. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to see our new videos. Thank you.